Hey y'all, hey, so I am headed to Panera Bread to meet a new client. Now, I normally work from my home office space, but this client just happens to live in my city and seemed it really, really stressed out. And it's also an elderly couple. They do have a business, but some things have changed for them and they need some help with some things. So I decided, okay, instead of working from my home office space, let me take this opportunity to meet them in person. It's just to kind of help ease their nerve a little bit. Now, let's talk about what needs to take place. Since I am leaving my home office space, getting in the car, I am using my car for business vehicle use. I am going to meet a client. So what I need to do is I needed to look at my odometer to see what was my starting mileage, document what my mileage is going to be once I get to Panera Bread, but also when I come back home. All of those miles can be deducted when I file my return. Now, I don't take the mileage deduction. I actually take the actual expenses. So if I decided to stop and get gas, I would of course get my receipt for that. You can actually take the actual expenses, but for a business owner like yourself, if you all are using your business vehicle for business use, then you need to have documented what your actual mileage starting was and then the finish once you get done with the business activity. Now, something else that needs to take place, since we are having the meeting at Panera Bread, more than likely there's going to be some food purchased. I would need to make sure I get my receipt. On my receipt, I'm going to write who I met with, probably write something brief down what we discussed, the date and the time, which the date and time is normally on the receipt. Now, go ahead and take a picture of your receipt because the receipts does fade, but you're going to be able to deduct 50% of that business meal. Documentation is so important, you all. You want to make sure that you are running your life like a business. Anytime you're leaving your home for business purchases, make sure you all capture those expenses, and that is how you maximize on your tax deductions. I am Keisha West. I help you all keep more money in your bank account. If you are looking for a new tax professional, then make sure you follow me here for more tips, but also go to the link in my bio and schedule a call with me. It will be an opportunity for me to get to know a little bit about you. You can know a little bit about me, and we can determine if we both feel that we'll be a good fit to work together. Do not forget to document your business activities, you all. That is how people win the tax game, by actually going a step further to making sure that they have those business documents that they need. Now, keep in mind, there are two ways that you can maximize on the business vehicle use. It's going to be either by your standard mileage that you drive for business activities, or it's going to be those actual expenses that you have to pay to maintain the upkeep of your vehicle, whether that be oil changes, gas, tires, all of those things. And a best way to actually determine what works for you, I would say calculate both. Calculate both your mileage, and then also make sure you calculate how much you're spending in actual expenses. All right, y'all. I will talk to you all later. Bye.